Hey guys, I'm visiting India. I'm in a village called Narsanda, which is 50 kilometers away from Ahmedabad, in a state of Gujarat in India. This is where my family lives. This is my home. So this is called a khadki, where it's more like townhomes, and there is a gate there you can see. In old days they used to close the gate, and we are going to do something very interesting. He's my brother. We are going to ride his two-wheeler to go to a shepherd community in a farm to drink a raw goat milk. So let's begin. Getting mangoes, you can see fresh mangoes. These are grown in wild, so non-GMO, organic, whatever you want to call it. There is no chemical used. And this is a tree of neem. It's called Neem Tree. It has a lot of benefits. It's very much used in Ayurveda to cure different diseases. The peacocks in my village, so many of them, and this is a beautiful scene. You can see that. This is a farm in my village, and there are just so many of peacocks here. Right, so we have reached our destination. This is a community of shepherds. They have cows and goats and camel, I think, and ships. So it's a કેમ છો બા? દૂધ મળશે કે આપ્યા? હા, બકરીમાં એવું હોય નહીં? એ સારું. નહીં તો ગાય ભેંસ હોય તો તમે વિચાર કરવો પડે. So these people are very nice. They milk a fresh goat milk whenever you suggest. So they eat all fresh food. So they take them out for grazing in the wild. So these goats and cows, they will eat. Whatever they can get from the wild, all the plants and stuff. And they cannot afford any kind of hormones or antibiotics, etc. So the milk that you're going to get from here is 100% organic. So you will see this person will start milking. I think he'll milk the cows now. Start. can see they are milking a goat here. I'm going to have this fresh milk. It is a big herd. These guys are shepherds. They are more like nomads. They move around. They don't stay at one place for a long time. So I'm not sure if next year I come here I will have access to this. But at least this year for 3 weeks daily in the morning I come here and enjoy this fresh milk. Now let's start. It's really good. It's a little bit warm. बस 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 तो पीड़े दी दो आपको ग्लास બા આમાં બી થોડું આપશો આટલું હે જો So my brother is playing with this little goat. She's barely few days old, I think. So for my health condition, someone suggested drinking raw goat milk is extremely beneficial. In fact, I met a couple of people here in India who cured this condition, which doctors are saying is impossible to cure. And I met a lady personally who cured herself. I looked at all her reports and everything, and she's in a perfect health for last 10 years. She almost cured it just by drinking raw goat milk. So that's what I'm trying here, coming to this place every single day in the morning, having fresh goat milk, and I'm gonna see how it goes, and I will keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Again, it's a great experience, very native feeling. It's very fresh air. You can see all the farms nearby, and yeah, it's an amazing experience overall. Thanks for watching. Bye.